back to my channel SciTech. In this we're going to test the green tint issue, whether it's present in the Realme GT Master Edition or not. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. Let's see how is the green tint issue, because recently a lot of other Android phones are actually experiencing the green tint problem. That's the reason a few of the users, they want to know before they actually receive the device, they should know that whether the green tint issue is happening or not. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video using the Realme GT Master Edition, which is a Snapdragon 778G processor, as you can exactly see here. So to find the green tint issue, first you need to decrease the brightness and use the dark mode, and to turn off all the lights and keep the environment as low as possible, I mean in terms of the lighting. And then we can actually check the green tint problem, it's happening or not. Now let me to demonstrate you one by one. So right now let me to turn on the lights one by one, and all the lights should be off completely. So there should not be any kind of lights in the room, including my phone light as well. So now it's time to turn on the dark mode and decrease the brightness slowly. I'm decreasing the brightness and open the incoherent mode. So incoherent mode. Try to open that incoherent mode. I'm going to open that and go to the yes. So if we go, friends, this is a incoherent mode which is open at this moment, and right now I cannot see any kind of a green tint, but there is some flickering is going on. If you want, you can observe. As you can see, some kind of flickering. This is a kind of new thing which I did see. So right now the brightness is going to decrease. Right now, as you can see, friends, in the notification panel, if I try to increase the brightness and decrease the brightness, something is weird in terms of the flickering. This kind of low flickering is happening. I cannot see any kind of green tint problem. Let me try to change the refresh rate to 60 Hz. So maybe sometimes it happens with the high refresh rate. If you try to set, let me try to go to the home mode and selecting the standard. So let me just show you exactly focus properly, because in this no light environment it's very hard to focus as well. So right now I did select the 60 Hz only at this moment, and let's go to the set. Let's see what happens now. So here's the Realme GT Master Edition, and we can still see this kind of flickering is going on a little bit, but there is no green tint problem. I cannot see any kind of green tint. I'm trying to increase the brightness and decrease the brightness. So somewhere around this area, we're trying to see that kind of flickering happening in the low light flickering, no brightness flickering. Yes. So this is a quick review on this one. So there is no green tint, but there is another problem, which is this kind of flickering. So I need to search for any kind of option, whether is there any kind of settings to change that flickering or not. I don't think there's an option regarding the flickering. No, there's no such option called the low light flickering. There's not available. There's no, I think DC dimming should be there somewhere in the Realme lab, I think so. Let me try to open the DC dimming. Yes. So I did enable the DC dimming right now, as you can see clearly. So I did enable the DC dimming going into the settings, and now let's check what happens. Now, no, I cannot find any kind of flickering in the low brightness, as you can see clearly. So in the low brightness, no, nothing is happening. No flickering is happening in the DC dimming mode. As you can see, friends, finally we got to know that there is no green tint issue in the Realme GT Master Edition, but there is the low light flickering. But thank God we do have the DC dimming option inbuilt in the Realme lab. If you want, you can enable that, and the flickering will be definitely decreased. As you can see, screen display issues. So screen flickering can be reduced. That's perfectly working without any problems. That's kind of really good advantage. So there is no green tint problem, friends. Finally, thank God. So there's no problems in this phone. Not only in this phone, even the Realme other phones also don't have any kind of issues regarding the green tint. I'm not sure how they are managing, but still. So still now in the Realme phones, whatever I'm using right now, I did not see the green tint problem. Yes. So hopefully it should be the same in the future as well. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries on this phone, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check the playlist of the Realme GT Master Edition for more details as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.